Good afternoon to all of you. Namaskar to all of you. This is Ranjan from smartfinanceinc.com. This is our website. So as all of you know, we have very good products on the WD Gann's concept. So WD Gann's concept, I have decoded many unique principles like you can say tetrahedron, like hexagon, and many other things, also vibration number. So many of you are using that, and many user also time to time give their feedback, like some of the users are writing that this has accurately calculated the seat for this one. So like this way many people used to give many feedbacks like this. So here, this particular video, I am going to tell you about one free webinar which I am conducting tomorrow, 19th, not tomorrow, it will be 19th, Sunday. So Sunday, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. And again, the same thing will be repeated on 25th January, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. And Sunday, we will be having the session in English, and we will be having 25th of January, we will be having the session in Hindi. It is a free program. We will be understanding the Gann Lunar Node Financial Table. It is one of the very good innovation of the WD Gann, but it has taken years for me to understand. So if you look at these things, this is financial timetable, some years are written, some ABCD is written. What is the meaning of this thing? It is 1909 or 1909 he has published it, and here again he is say that this is you can say 1934 it is being revised, and till 1989 he has put it, then it has gone beyond that. So this is the financial timetable name he has given, compiled by WD Gann. And this is how this table is being made, what is the meaning of all these boxes and other things, how it is important. All those things we'll be discussing on this particular webinar. 19th of January, Sunday, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Also, I will be taking the how you can use the crypto price analysis on Gann Tetrahedron principle. So we have come with a product, software product, and this is you can say this is a product. Whenever you want to do any analysis for the cryptocurrencies, so you can use it. It is a real-time product. Many interesting Gann concepts we have programmed here. Tetrahedron we have programmed, and you need to understand what is this tetrahedron axis mean, and why we should use the tetrahedron for Gann studies. And we have other studies also, natural constant studies are there, midpoint studies, hexagon studies, other studies also there. So many crypto analysis you can do in that. So that also I am explaining in this free webinar. Also, I will be making you understand what is a crypto futures and option. So couple of platforms have come wherein you can do crypto future and option trading. So that also we'll be discussing on this 1 hour event. It is lot many informations you will get. However, the most important thing what you will try to understand in this program will be on the Gann's financial table. So how this is being done and how it is being done with the help of lunar node. So that way I will be discussing in detail. एंड ये प्रोग्राम 19 तारीख को इंग्लिश में होगा, 25 तारीख को हिंदी में होगा. आप अपने दोस्त लोगों को भी इसमें इनवाइट कीजिएगा. एंड ये प्रोग्राम का ज्वाइनिंग लिंक है जो रजिस्ट्रेशन करके आपको ज्वाइन करना है, ये लिंक भी मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे रखा है. सो आई विल बी गिविंग द लिंक टू ज्वाइन दिस इवेंट in the description box. All are welcome. It is a free event, and You will learn a lot of stuffs, and one of the interesting stuff of this Gann Financial Timetable. And do not miss this event. Join this and also invite your friends to join this event. So you will learn something new on the WD Gann. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time, and do not forget to register. See the description link and register for this event. 19th January it will be in English, 25th it will be in Hindi. So both the events you can join, and this is only one single registration will be enough for both. So दोनों इवेंट में ज्वाइन करने के लिए एक ही चीज काफी है. अगर ज्ञान के कोर्स के बारे में जानना चाहते हैं, हमारा साइट में जाइए, प्रोडक्ट के लिंक में आपको ज्ञान के कोर्स के बारे में पता चलेगा, एंड यहीं से इंग्लिश एंड हिंदी दोनों में अवेलेबल है. So you will get the Gann course in English and Hindi in both the language. It is a 40-hour course. You will learn many things from the basics to advanced. So do join this free event. Experience one of the fantastic concept of WD Gann. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time. I will see you in the event day.